My name is Sanket Bhosle. My group members are Love Arora and Ritik Doshi. We are presenting this video on our project Automation of Student Railway Concession. Basically, it is a web application with ATVM that has automated the manual process which has many flaws. After analyzing all the problems and requirements of the arts against the existing manual process, the need for automation was strongly felt. It aims at making the entire process quick, easy and efficient. The main objective of this project is to understand the day-to-day difficulties faced by student and college and to find a solution which is cost-effective, user and environment friendliness. It reduces the workload of college and railway authorities and it is a paperless approach. And for students, this process is much faster. But one newspaper article is also states that the railway aims at making the entire process online. Now let's see the working of this application. First, college authority will log in to the website with username and password. After successful login, college authority will click on Enter Student Details option and fill the respective student details such as name, department, RFID number by scanning ID card on RFID reader, academic year, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, username and password, and click on Submit. Here the submitted details are displayed. Now student will receive an SMS with username and password to log in as authorized user. Once the student has logged in, he will fill one railway concession form where some details are already filled. He only has to fill destination, route name, class of travel, select option between monthly and quarterly and click on Submit. Now student can check the status of their application. Here college and railway both status are pending, which is specified by P. Here all the requests submitted by student are displayed. College authority can either approve it by clicking on approve button or reject it through reject button if details are incorrect. If approved, the college status will change from P to A as approved and student will receive an SMS as shown in screenshot. Now railway authority will log into the website with username and password. Here railway authority will select from an expiry date and click on approve button if this request is approved by college. If approved, the railway status will change from P to A as approved. Here the approval is completed. Now student will receive one booking ID through SMS. Now student has to visit ATVM at railway station where he has to scan RFID card. Then he has to enter booking ID received through SMS and select the payment option. If student select payment mode as online, he will receive one payment gateway link on mobile. And through this link, student will complete online transaction process through mobile. Here the required transaction details has to be filled by students. After successful transaction, pass is generated. Take a screenshot for your reference. For cash payment, the specific amount is added on card through college. Student has to visit ATVM machine at railway station. This is ATVM machine where student has to scan their RFID card. After scanning card, its number is displayed on screen. Then he has to enter correct booking ID After this, he has to select option as a college card for cash payment. Click on complete transaction. And finally, pass is generated. Click on print button to print this pass.
So to start off with the things, we first had taken a survey. This survey is nothing but research and analysis which is made in the field of our interest in order to complete our project. It also describes the survey of the previous existing material on a topic of the project. So let's move on to the first question in our survey. Do you take the concession facility which is provided by the Central and the Western Railway? In this survey, we had 131 responses, out of which 93% of the students said yes, they do avail the facility of the concession which is provided by the railway and the college. Number 2. Do you think the current offline process in order to obtain the concession form is very time consuming and hectic, and it also includes a lot of paperwork? Out of 131 responses, 92% students said yes, it is a very time consuming procedure as it may take up to 2 to 3 days or even a week in order to obtain the concession pass. Last question of our survey. Do you think that making the complete procedure of obtaining the concession should be online, that is from filling the form till obtaining the pass? Out of 131 responses, 100% students said yes, they want this complete procedure should be automated and online.
Hello, my name is Hrithik Doshi. I am going to answer some basic questions regarding our project. The first question is your project approved by railways? The answer to this question is a mystery because when we reached out to the railways, they told us to meet their IT department at CST, but when we went there, they said our project model was good, but they would like to have a detailed talk over it. But before we could have the conversation, the country went into a lockdown which we are currently experiencing. Second, is this a 100% paperless approach? No, it is actually 99% paperless approach, as there are those 1% students who don't have a smartphone for who we have made available the print option. Third, is this process secure? Yes, it is very secure as the data which is stored in the database is secured with a root password, and to start the transaction process we have to provide the booking ID which acts as an OTP which is sent to the student through SMS. Fourth, does the college have to insert the student details every time? No. The college inserts the student details at the time of admission and generate a username and password which will be used by the student till he/she passes out to generate the concession pass. Fifth, is there any online record maintained instead of physical copies as in manual process? Yes, the database that we have created stores all the details as you can see here. All the details from the name of the student till if he has completed the transaction for the pass is stored in the database, which can only be accessed by providing the root password.
Moving on to the advantages. Firstly, the complete process is simple and easy to use, as well as less time is required. Our project is even user friendly. The manual writing of each form and the use of paper is avoided, that is our full procedure is paperless. The student get message at each and every step performed during the process so that they get an idea where their process actually stands and what they have to do next. Student, college, authority and IRCTC can use this project very efficiently. The project is cost effective, user and environment friendly, quick, flexible. Now, finally, I conclude our project. We have successfully implemented our project and achieved our main goals and objectives. We would like to enhance this system to make it more better, to provide more benefits of the system to the student, to the college and even to the railways. Thank you.